This is a quick video on how commercial cleaning services can use Google Maps to create door-to-door sales routes. And I know with door-to-door sales, it can seem kind of outdated nowadays with digital advertising and digital marketing, but there's some contexts where door-to-door sales is very, very effective. And the reason is this is our blog on this, and I'm going to leave this in the description of this video, a link to this where I cover how to create a whole campaign. But the key about door-to-door sales is targeting. You know, who are you going to target? Because with door-to-door sales to be really effective, it's going to be certain industries. One is going to be the hospitality industry, which would be restaurants, hotels, retail. The medical industry, it can also be very effective. And the reason is that these businesses are generally clustered together, and there might be 10, 20, 50 of them that you might even be able to go door to door with. So that's why, and you can hit 20 of them in maybe an hour. So that's why it's very effective that way. And another reason is they're open to the public, so their managers are open to the public. The starting point is going to be getting a leads list, and you can purchase a leads list from us of 400, 600, 1,000 businesses that we can then put together and create the sales route. And how it will come is you'll receive it in Excel or in Google Sheets format. And then what you would do, and I can actually do this for you, is you would go to Google, of course, and Google My Maps, something that a lot of people may not even be aware of that exists. And after you create your account, if it doesn't automatically take you to this screen, and then you would create a new map. And once you create a new map, now we have our database. We have all our businesses we want to target, and you can include all kinds of different industry with all kinds of different information with contact names, etc. And we are going to then go here once we've created a new map. We are going to now import that map. And what will happen is we are going to import that Excel sheet into the map. And now that we have this map, we have all these businesses now are plotted. This is where we can really save a lot of time because now we can create a sales route and save it. And nowadays you can go around on your phone. So here would be the master list of all 380 of these businesses that you want to target. So how you would create a sales route now is by clicking right here, select items. You would choose an area, say click on this one, and then add directions. And then you'll see B is going to pop up. Then you would go ahead and choose the second one. And then the screen took me closer, so I'm just going to back up a little bit. Then I would go to add destination and click on the next place you want to go to. Add destination, then click on the next place you want to go to. And you can just continue to do that to how many you would think that you would need. And you can see that now we've got this all clustered together. These are all the businesses that we want to cover. And depending on your market, every market's different. Some are very dense, and these might be much, much closer together to where you can walk. And this area, I would definitely have to drive, and that's just something I would know from doing this before. So this is how you would create a door-to-door sales route for selling cleaning services. And then you would just continue. And because this would be, and then what I would do is I would then name this sales route 1. After this, then I would go ahead and start a whole new sales route. And depending, we're all different about this. Maybe you would want 10 of them, maybe 20 of them. This is all something to think of beforehand. But then you would create sales route two, sales route three, four, five, six, seven, and on and on. And over time, you have these all saved in Google My Maps, and then we can create a routine, which takes us back to our blog where we talk about creating a routine. And once you have all those sales routes all saved on Google Maps, you can just go on your phone and now you can create a routine and say, I'm going to do sales route one, week two, week three, and then I'm going to, after 3 months, I'm going to repeat again and start all over again. So this was a quick blog on how to create a door-to-door sales route using Google Maps.